feel like it's been hard for me to learn the steps because I didn't know who to ask. I've been watching barbers over the years, but now that I came to boot camp, I know the exact steps of what to do and in what order and why you do the certain things you do, which I've been watching people barber for a long time. I just didn't know why they were doing what they're doing. So now I really feel like I know what they're doing. I would definitely recommend Barber Boot Camp to a friend because I learned so much. I didn't know if I would actually learn a ton of stuff because I've been trying to learn for a long time. I would follow my friend at his barber shop and watch him. So I did learn a little that way, but to learn the actual steps in order, the certain guards you use or blades that you use and how to actually blend everything together.